everyone. Good morning. This is Miss Neha here. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well and taking good care of yourself. Today is 19th of April 2020 and now we are going to start our new topic 15, equal shares of rectangles and circles. Lesson 1, make equal shares. Page numbers are 817 till 820 and homework pages are 821 till 822. So what are we going to learn in this lesson? We are going to identify equal and unequal parts of 2D shapes. As you can see here, identify equal and unequal parts of 2D shapes. Now what do you mean by equal? Equal means all the parts are the same size, and unequal, the parts are different sizes. And we have learned about the two-dimensional shapes, right? And our vocabulary word for this lesson is equal shares. So before I explain this lesson in detail, let's watch a video how you can wash your hands.
Brooklyn! Wash your hands, do-do-do-do-do, wash your hands, do-do-do-do-do, wash your hands, do-do-do-do-do, wash your hands. Grab some soap, do-do-do-do-do, grab some soap, do-do-do-do-do, grab some soap, do-do-do-do-do, grab some soap. Rub your hands, do-do-do-do-do, rub your hands, do-do-do-do-do, rub your hands, do-do-do-do-do, rub your hands. Rinse your hands, do-do-do-do-do, rinse your hands, do-do-do-do-do, rinse your hands, do-do-do-do-do, rinse your hands. Dry your hands, do-do-do-do-do, dry your hands, do-do-do-do-do, dry your hands, do-do-do-do-do, dry your hands. What else can we do? Cover your streets, do-do-do-do-do, cover your streets, do-do-do-do-do, cover your streets, do-do-do-do-do, cover your streets. Cup into your elbow, do-do-do-do-do, cup into your elbow, do-do-do-do-do, cup into your elbow, do-do-do-do-do, cup into your elbow. Safe at last, do-do-do-do-do, safe at last, do-do-do-do-do, safe at last, do-do-do-do-do, safe at last. Phew! Let's stay healthy, do-do-do-do-do, let's stay healthy, do-do-do-do-do, let's stay healthy, do-do-do-do-do, let's stay healthy. Oh yeah!
So now you know how you can wash your hands. Kids, wash your hands properly every time for at least 20 seconds. Okay, now let's begin with our lesson video.
Shapes can be divided into parts, or shares. Sometimes the shares are equal. Does this shape show equal shares? Is this shape divided into shares of equal size? Yes, the shares are equal.
Equal shares are always the same size.
Into how many shares is the circle divided?
Can you tell how many shares?
Let's count.
Let's count. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4.
There are 4 shares. This shape is divided into 4 equal shares. Sometimes the shares are not equal. Into how many shares is this shape divided?
Let's count.
Let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4.
There are 4 shares. Are the shares equal?
Do you think they're equal?
No, they are not the same size. Some shares are larger than other shares. Into how many shares are these shapes divided? Each shape has 2 shares. Which shape is divided into 2 equal shares?
Which shape? Come on, tell me.
The orange shape is divided into 2 equal shares. Which shows 4 equal shares? Are these shapes divided into the same number of shares? No. Which shape is divided into 4 shares?
Which is the equal
Select
over here?
your answer.
Which shape is equally divided into 4? Good job.
The yellow shape is divided into 4 shares. Are the 4 shares equal? Yes, this shape is divided into 4 equal shares. The green shape shows only 2 shares that are different sizes. Now you know about making equal shares in different shapes.
So what are we going to learn in this lesson is we will identify equal shares, and then we will divide the circles and rectangles into equal parts. So you have to divide the shapes into equal parts, okay? Now, let me explain here in detail. Now, what are equal parts? What is this? Come on, kids, tell me. Yum, yum. It's a pizza, right? Now, suppose you have a pizza, and now you have to share this pizza with one of your friend. So, how will you divide this pizza equally so that you and your friend, both of you get equal parts? So, one piece, another piece, you see, they are equal. You can have one piece and you can give to your friend the same size of piece, right? Or you can also divide your pizza like this. This means you are dividing the pizza into 2 equal parts. Now, can you tell me which 2D shape is this pizza? It's excellent. It's a circle, right? Now, if I cut the circle into 2 equal parts, you see here, they both are equal. They both are of same size. Or if you have 4 friends, for an example, you and your 3 friends wants to share a pizza. So how will you share? 1, 2, 3, 4. You see here? They all are of equal size, right? Now, how about unequal parts? Let's take the same pizza over here. If you divide like this, do you think you and your friend will be happy? No, right? One of you will get the small slice, another one of you will get the bigger slice. So do you think this is fair? No, it's unequal and it's not fair. You need to divide equally. Or will you divide like that? No. Or will you divide like this? No. They are all unequal parts. You see? They are not divided equally. One size is different, another size is different. One is small, another one is bigger. So you need to divide the shape into 2 equal parts. Now, let's take another example here. What is this? A chocolate bar, right? Now, the same example. If you want to share this with your best friend, how will you share? You will share it equally, right? You can share it into 2 equal parts, so both of you have the same size of the chocolate. Or if you have 4 friends, if you want to share it with another 3 friends, so each one will get the equal size. So this is what we are going to learn. You have to divide the shapes into 2 equal parts. Now, unequal parts, will you divide your chocolate like this? Keep the bigger one with you and give the smaller one to your friend? No. You have to divide the chocolate equally. Or will you give this to your friend and have this? No, they are unequal parts. Okay? Do you understand what are we going to do in this lesson? We will divide the shape into 2 equal parts. Now, let's begin with our book over here. Page number 817. Draw a line inside the blue circle to show 2 parts that are the same size. Draw a line inside the yellow circle to show 2 parts that are not the same size. So now, as you can see, you have two circles here, the blue circle and the yellow circle. Here you have to divide the circle into two equal parts. And here you have to divide the circle into two unequal parts. So how will you do this, kids? I take my pen here. So the blue circle should be equal, right? So if I make one line here, so as you can see, let's name it 1 and 2. So they both are of equal size. They both are of same size. Now here, if I draw my line like this two part you can see here, they are not same. So it is unequal. Do you understand? You can write here equal. And this is unequal. You understand how to do it? Now, let's take our next page, page number 818. Decide if each picture shows equal shares, then circle yes or no. Now, you have shapes over here. Now, you have to tell me whether they are equal or they are not equal. Now, number 1, look at question number 1. This rectangle, it's divided into equal parts, right? Yes, so we circle yes. Question number 2. Do you think it's divided into equal parts? Good job. No, it's not equal. What about number 3? Is it equal? Bravo. Yes. You see, they all are of same size. Now question number 4. Is it equally divided into two parts? Yes. Question number 5. Is it equally divided? Excellent. No, they all are of different size. Question number 6. Yes. You see, it's easy, right? So you have to divide the shape into two equal parts. Here, this is independent practice. I will read for you and then we'll solve it. Write the number of equal shares in each shape. If the shares are not equal, write 0. Okay? So here, what we're going to do here is... Now look at number 7. Let's first see into how many parts it's divided. It's divided into two parts, right? This is 1. Sorry. This is 1 and this is 2. So do you think they both are equal? Do you think this rectangle is divided into two equal parts? Do they have equal shares? Excellent. No. So 0 equal shares. Because both of these shapes are of different size. They are not equal. Now question number 8. Now this circle is divided into two parts, right? 1 and 2. Are they equally divided? Do you think they both have equal parts? Are they both are same? Excellent. They are same. So, into how many equal shares? 2 equal shares. Question number 9. Look at this square. Is it divided into equal shares? Yes, very good. Into how many equal shares? Come on, write down the numbers. 1 and 2. So 2 equal shares. Question number 10. Now this circle is divided into how many parts? Bravo. Into 4 parts, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now are all of them equal? Excellent. Yes. They all are equal. So 4 equal shares. Now question number 11, 12, 13, and 14. You will do it by yourself. Now question number 15, I will explain for you and try to solve it by yourself. Draw a square, a circle, or a rectangle. Divide your shape into equal shares. Then write the number of equal shares in your shape. Now what you have to do here is you have to draw a 2D shape. Now it can be a square, it can be a square, it can be a circle, or it can be a rectangle. Now here, let me take an example of square, okay? So now I have to divide the shape into equal shares, into equal parts. So if I divide my square like this, it is equally divided. Or if I divide my square like this, they're still equal. Or if I divide my square like this, do you think it's equal? No, it's not equal, right? So this is what you have to do. And then you have to write into how many equal shares did you divide? 1, 2. So you can write here 2 equal shares. You can also solve this question with a circle and a rectangle. Okay, do you understand how to do it? Question number 16. Matt makes a flag with 4 equal shares. Which flag did he make? Circle the correct flag. Now, he makes a flag with 4 equal shares. Now, which flag among this do you think has equal parts? The red one or the green one? Bravo! The red one, you see, because 1, 2, 3, 4. All are of same size. And look at here. Do you think they all are same size? No, this one is small, this is bigger, this is small, this is bigger. So they are not equal. This one is the equal one. Okay? Now, question number 17, 18, and 19, you will do it by yourself. The same over here in question number 17. Ruth picks a flag with equal shares. Which flag did she pick? Circle the correct flag. Which one do you think is equal? The yellow one or the blue one? Circle the correct flag. Question number 18. 4 students share a pizza. Each pizza slice is the same size. Draw a picture of a pizza the students shared. Now you have to draw a pizza here. Try to draw your favorite pizza here. And then you have to divide this into 4 equal shares. Okay? It should not be like this or like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Will you share your pizza like this? No. You have to share it into 4 equal parts. Understand? Now, question number 19. Which square does not show 4 equal shares? Which one among this does not show 4 equal? So what will you do here is write down the number 1, 2, 3, 4 in each, and then see which one is not equal. Okay? So thank you very much, all of you. Stay safe and stay clean, and see you tomorrow. Take care of yourself. Take care of your family. Bye-bye.